Good morning. This is the fastest way to the seaside, the Freckleton bypass. Well, there is a cycle lane, very handy. Let's get to the seaside, shall we? They're taking care in Wharton. Just coming through Wharton towards Lytham. Today's a go and have breakfast kind of a day rather than a have breakfast and go kind of a day. So I'm going somewhere nice for my breakfast. You can get from my house to the seaside pretty much on cycle lanes and cycle paths. Very handy for commuting. Sun's up behind me. Another nice day. 2 sunny days in a row. Left home at 7:05, it's now 7:54, so 50 minutes from home to here. I'm sure I can find a nice breakfast spot somewhere down here. Let's go find one. I found my spot. The road that I came down is not the prettiest way to get to the seaside, but it is the fastest. Anyway, breakfast. So we'll cycle up the prom, have a wander around Fairhaven Lake. Oh, someone's behind me. And then head back towards Preston. Morning. Morning. Well, the tide is well and truly out. That's as low as it gets. Nice view of the estuary. Back to Preston that way. Out to the Irish Sea that way. Not quite as warm as it was this time last week. Could be the sea breeze, or it could be autumn looming. But either way, I've still got the arm warmers on. You can't really cycle this on during the daytime, it gets too busy. Well, you can, but you're dodging dogs and kids. Nice now though. I'll choose a more scenic route back to Preston and spend the rest of my day keeping my child away from his screen. Do you know, I wanted to ride down this slope for ages. Here we go. Fairhaven Lake, which I'm reliably informed used to be Fairhaven Golf Course. Oh yeah. Having too much fun. Well, it's 20 past 8, I've done about 17 miles. Time to say goodbye to Lytham and out into the countryside. Just heading through Kirkham now. Traffic's still quite good. School holidays. Makes it much nicer. wonder if that's a farmer. Just cycling through Trials. Let's turn left here. And head to Inskip. There is a club ride today and they leave Garstang at 10 o'clock. Then I'd join it, but I need to be finished by about 10:30, 11. Might go and say hello though. Just heading down Rawcliffe Road towards Great Eccleston. Then we'll turn right up Lancaster Old Road and then right again up Skitham Lane or Skitham Lane and head to Garstang and say hello to the club and then say bye to the club and go home. Today's ride has been a flat ride. What have we got so far? 40 miles done in about 800 feet. Not going to get much more than that really. The hills are there, they're calling, but not today. Working my way towards Nateby. Just coming into Garstang, approaching the Bellflower pub. Let's see if anyone's going out for the Wednesday club ride. I bet there's a few. Nice 20-minute social with the club, and now it's time to batter down the A6 between Garstang and Preston with a tailwind. It was a tailwind. I know there's some A-level students subscribe to this channel, so if you're watching, best of luck. Hope it all goes well tomorrow. Almost done. That's a 53-mile ride. Breakfast at the seaside. Thanks for watching. See you next time.